Make it look cooler when you've got your split screen here, why not add some lines vertically and horizontally? In Premiere Pro that's quite easy to do. We go across to File, New. In this version of Premiere you need to create a legacy title, as if you're creating titles for the start or to go anywhere on your particular project. I'll call this one Lines. Click OK. And what we do, you'd normally use this to create titles using the T tool, but as you can see here you've got some shapes, and the one I want to choose is the line tool. So we click on that and we'll go about there. We'll make a line, make it nice and straight like that, perfect. And I'd like to have another one going across horizontally as well. So we do the same thing. Nice and straight, cool. And you might want to keep it white like that, which looks quite nice. But if you want to change the colour of it, highlight the particular line you've just made there. And I think I'll have a nice blue colour maybe. So what I'll do is use the little pipette and choose that nice blue from there. So nice little subtle change, but you can see that's changed colour slightly. Do the same thing with the other one. Select it, go to the little dropper, we'll select that blue colour again. And that's changed the colour of it. And how we get that into your actual footage on the timeline is quite straightforward. Close it down. As you can see, it's appeared down here in your media browser. So we'll drag that up onto another video channel. And we'll then drag it all the way across like that. And as you can see, that's just made some nice simple lines just to make it look a little bit more professional, a little bit neater. We skim through, you can see that looks quite nice when it changes. And that's how you create lines.